Hello everybody, welcome back to my slow English speaking video. It's me, Shushant Paul, in front of you, and today I would like to talk about time and money. You know, time is more valuable than money. Time and tide wait for none. You can't stop the time, but you can earn money, and if you have a lot of money, that means you are a rich guy, right? So you can't buy happiness with your a lot of money, and you can buy time, you can buy some time, but sometimes you will not able to buy time. Sometimes it's happened with me, it's happened with everybody. Okay, so sometimes it's really impossible to buy some time with valuable money. So money doesn't work sometimes. I don't have a lot of money, but I want I want money. You want money. We want money. Everyone wants money. Okay. But money is not everything. Though it's called second God. But I believed that if you have a lot of money, you can't buy everything with your money. Okay. So that's it for today. I don't want to eat more longer. So as you can see, my hair condition is not good. A few minutes ago, it's a total. Just look at the weather. Just look at the sky. It's very cloudy. It may rain soon again. I was getting wet in the rain a few minutes ago, and then I ran away from here. But look at me. My t-shirt is almost done. So that's it. If you like slow English speaking video, then you can share it on your timeline, or you can comment that where are you from where you are watching my videos every day. Thank you.